Good day. Ay, so shout out on the vlog. Paano ba i-rotate ito? Di siya pwede i-rotate. So, guys, I will show you my plants that can help absorb radiation. So, I have snake plant, spider plant, aloe vera, and this lily. On the vlog. Thank you for watching. Okay, so now plants are can help. So this is my plants here. One of the plants can help absorb radiation is cactus. So we have cactus here. As you can see, that one. Cactus. Uh, so very powerful and help absorb ambient radiation bouncing around your office or bedroom and can make you feel a little better at work. Also, getting compact size cactus can really get fresh air. This is my cactus collection, and I transfer it to other container, nice container later. So another one is the so it's also can help to absorb radiation. Another one is we have spider plant. So spider plant also known as the airplane plant. This anti-radiation plant is known to possess the qualities of reducing pollution and air quality, absorb nuclear radiation, uh, and allows to take a fresh breath at work while completing your commitments. You can easily spot this plant grazing offices and co-working spaces if they are really in demand. And now you can keep that home as well to reduce television and cell phone radiation. So we have cactus, we have spider plant. We have also here, I got this aloe vera. So beautiful aloe vera. So this is also can help absorb radiation. So you can transfer it in a container and put inside. So this is the indoor plants that can absorb radiation. The aloe vera. So aloe vera is popular to skin, medical and hair benefits. This is wonderful plant never fails to impress us with its endless qualities. Capable of absorbing high levels of radiation and convert into breathable oxygen. Because of its protective properties, you should place your aloe vera plant in straight line from the electronic device that is emitting radiation. But keep anything in between as it affects the aloe vera's capability to absorb harmful radiation. Another one is aloe vera plant, but I don't have here. Aloe vera plant, rubber plant, I mean, rather. Rubber plant as an indoor plant also that absorb harmful radiation. So this is my plants here. Oh, thank you so much, Randia Vlog, for the, yung tawag niya, okay, so then, so, meron akong bougainvillea din. Ang ganda. I have bougainvillea here. So, hindi lang makita. So, also, peace lily. So, is can help absorb radiation and snake plant here. So I have one also snake plant here. So many varieties of snake plant. Oh, Sansevieria. These plants can help absorb radiation. So you can put, this all is an indoor plants that also help absorb radiation. So if you don't have a cactus, so another great option for radiation absorption is the snake plant. This one. Ayan. This plant is known to be very effective in converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. If you want to promote cleaner air and boost lung healthy within your home, the snake plant would be great addition to your home. So this is the snake plant. This is one of my collection also of my snake plant. But sorry, I can't rotate the phone. Stone lotus flower also can help absorb radiation. So we should put this in our room. We can put this in our room beside us that help us to prevent the radiation. The prevalence of modern gadgets that emit radiation has posed a serious threat to your family's health, and this is something that you need to consider, especially in the modern age, given the people is rely on Wi-Fi and high-tech devices to function. So we can minimize it by using the plants. So just put this in our room and can help us to prevent the radiation. So sa mga Tagalog, sa mga Pilipino, uh, trying hard lang po tayo sa pag-i-English. So ito po yung mga collection ko. Wala lang akong rubber plant at saka wala akong tawag nito. Ayun, lotus flower. Wala po ako noon. So maybe sasama ko rin sa collection dahil nakakatulong nga ito sa radiation. Dahil lalo na ngayon, kailangan natin na kailangan natin ito kasi more on online na tayo. So, peace lily din. So, mura lang itong peace lily. Pwede na hingin sa kapitbahay lang din. So, itong aloe vera, mabilis itong tumubo. Yan. So, marami na nga siyang anak. So, i-ano lang natin ito At meron na tayong pang prevent sa radiation. At least ano less naman tayo kasi sa in a day halos maharap tayo sa computer, sa ating cellphone. Salamat! Thank you and good morning sa inyo ha. Diha. Shout out sa ating viewer. So, nagagandahan ka ba sa mga plans ko? Collect ka din ng mga ganito. Lagay mo sa loob ng bahay. Kaso lang, mahal dyan sa metro, sa Luzon. Pero dito, pwedeng hingiin sa kapitbahay o pwede ring barter. Kaso lang, hindi ko pa na-transplant ito at nailagay sa mga paso kasi wala pa tayong budget. So, okay lang din naman. So, anything. So, pwede din po tayo maglagay ng iba pang mga indoor plants na makapag-clean ng air. So, ito rin maka-help na mag-clean ng air, mga halaman na ito. Kaya nga ito ay sikat ngayon ang mga bulaklak o mga ornamental plants, I mean. Kasi nakakatulong nga ito sa pagpalinis ng hangin, sa radiation, at yun nga sa mga mood, nagpapaganda ng mood kasi pag titingin ka sa mga halaman is yung nakakapagdagdag ba na sigla and you can smile at maalala mo na kay ganda ng mga bulaklak na merong gumawa nito. Siyempre, hindi ito mag-exist kung walang gumawa at napakaganda. So, powerful yung gumawa nito na nagpapaligaya sa atin. So, this is one of my collection of bougainvillea also. Salamat sa maraming thumbs up dyan. Bakit malabo? Okay. Medyo malabo ang ating video. So, meron din ako dito. Ito din, one of my collection of bougainvillea. So, ayan. So, ang ganda niya. Minsan, pinapasok ko ito sa loob. So, kasi, ang ganda niya. Gustong-gusto ko rin. So, maybe, mag-collect pa ako ng iba nito. So, guys, yun yung mga collections natin. So, starting po tayo. Kaya pala ang mahal ng natin ngayon. Ng mga Sansevieria ngayon. Kasi nga, laking tulong ito sa atin din. Ito, spider plant. Marami din ito. Aloe vera. Yan. Ang mahal lang ngayon is, yung, masyadong mahal talaga is yung rubber plant at saka yung lotus. Pero siguro pag may maliit, itong mga cactus ko, nabili ko noon, mura pa lang yan. Ngayon, ang mahal na kasi. So, wala tayo masyado budget. So, kung meron man, naghihingi na lang tayo sa ating mga kapitbahay. So, I have also aglo here. Luto may aglonomia. So, beautiful aglo. I have also this one. Hindi ko lang alam ang pangalan nito. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Sana may natutunan po kayo. Ito maganda din, madali lang itong patubuin. Actually, kinat ko lang ito. Tapos, nilagay ko sa paso. Mga 3 weeks na po ito. So, magwa 1 month na siya. 3 weeks na po yan siya. Buhay na po. Madali lang po talaga siyang mabuhay. So, kinat ko lang kasi nagagandahan ako sa dahon. So, yan. So, cut ko na tong video guys. Because, meron pa akong isang gagawin din na video. So, gagawa po ako ng challenge sa mga planters ng bulaklak. So, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next live. Don't forget guys to subscribe our YouTube channel. Kinabuhi is live vlog. And ring the bell to be updated. Bye-bye.